As you guys know, I'm a big advocate for running paid ads to get more listeners to your music. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to consistently run paid ads every single day without breaking the bank. And basically what we're gonna be doing is spending $1 a day. Now this is one of my secrets because it allows me to consistently be putting ads in front of new people. Even if it's just $1 a day, think about it, that's $30 a month. There's so much other stuff out there that you blow money on. And at least you could do is put $1 a day into ads. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video on both your phone and your desktop computer. By the way, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and give this video a thumbs up because that's how my video reaches more people. The more engagement it gets, the more people I can help with music marketing. So go and subscribe to this channel. So let me start with my phone. Basically, I log on to Instagram and you gotta go to your homepage, go to your profile, and then you can basically pick any of your photos or videos. Just a note, you cannot run reel ads from your phone. If you want to run ads to reels, you have to do it from Facebook Business Manager. But everything else you can run ads to on your phones, photos, carousels, videos. So let's just say I want to run ads to this photo. Basically all I do is I pick boost. Now I can either send them to my profile. So if I want to get more followers, I send people to my profile. I can also send them to a website. So if I wanted them to stream my music on Spotify or SoundCloud or buy my music from Beatport, I'll pick website. You can do direct message, so people can direct message you. You can even generate leads through a form. And basically what happens is when someone picks sign up, Facebook and Instagram already has their contact information, so it automatically populates that information and sends it to you. So I'm gonna pick, in this case, profile. Say I wanted to get more followers. Again, if you want to get more Spotify streams, you can send them to websites. Now I can, I already have a bunch of saved targeting, but I'm gonna create my own just to show you guys. So say I name it, let's say I target Carl Cox. Now I go to location, pick the location, USA. You can pick worldwide, you can pick Europe, you can pick wherever you want. You can even pick local and target by address or radius. Sick. So if you want to grow locally, you can do that from your phone. So USA, now let me pick interest, and now I'm gonna type in Carl Cox. So when it comes to audience sizes, the smaller your audience size, the more expensive it's going to be. The larger your audience size, the more cheaper it's going to be. So if you wanted cheaper ad conversions, you'd probably want to stack your interest. So what I found from stacking your interest is that it gives Facebook a wider net to try to catch your audience. So you can stack your interest, or you can just pick one. In this case, I'm gonna pick one. I'm gonna target, let's say 18 to 40, male and female. That's it. Now just wait for this, and I click next. Now I set my budget, $1 a day for 30 days. Done. Boost post. And now my post is gonna be boosted and I'm gonna reach tons more people for just $1 a day. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on the desktop in Facebook Business Manager. All right guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to run $1 ads on the Facebook Business Manager. Basically, you just go to your account, Business Manager account, you click create. For this video, we're gonna go traffic. Again, it's the most simplest right now, and a lot of you guys probably don't know how to run conversion campaigns. So I always start off with naming it. I personally like starting off with calling it by what it is. It's a traffic campaign. Ad set budget, which means that I'm running, I'm gonna be using the budget on the ad set level. And the song I'm gonna be, let's say I'm gonna promote my Direction EP. So now I go down, next, leave the ad set name for later, but basically right here, just $1 daily budget. You can put a end date or you can leave it. I always leave it because I'm consistently monitoring it. But for those of you who have a set budget, you can literally just do 1 month, leave it $1 a day, and over the course of a month, you're gonna be spending $30. So now we get down to the target. Again, let's say USA, 18 to 40. Carl Cox. Carl Cox is just an artist in my genre. For you guys, you could put whatever artist is in your genre, whatever main artist. A good tip is the suggestion button right here. It suggests you all the other artists or every other person that has a high affinity to this person, to the interest that you selected. And affinity basically means if this person likes this person, or if this person likes this interest, they're most likely gonna like this interest. So all these people have a high affinity score to Carl Cox. And then you can go down to, I don't like doing auto placement, so I'm gonna go to manual. I'm gonna turn everything off. And since we're only gonna be running ads to Instagram, since on your phone you're only running ads to your Instagram, in this we're gonna only run ads to your Instagram as well. I'm gonna turn off Instagram shop, leave the explore page. I'm gonna keep on reels and story. So yeah, the only way you can run ads to reels right now is through ads manager. You cannot run ads to reels through your mobile phone. So now let's go back to naming it. So when it comes to naming, I always start off with interest. So Carl Cox, let's say I'm 18 to 40, and that's pretty much it. So 18 to 40 USA, this just allows me to identify then what's happening in the campaign. You can target both mobile. Well, yeah, let's do mobile only. Mobile only, shops, done, next. And now this is where you can create your ad or select your ad on your Instagram account. So I'm gonna select an existing post from my Instagram account, and these are all the posts that I posted on my Instagram. So if you go on my Instagram, you'll see all these on my Instagram. So I can literally select. Facebook automatically converts it to the right format. So we need to put a website, instagram.com/scene.ofc. Again, assuming this is for me to grow my Instagram account. That's why I'm sending them to my Instagram page. And now I could pick, so since it's a video, I'm gonna pick watch more. You can put learn more, you can put listen, make sure my pixel is on, and then publish, done. So that's how you create a $1 a day ad on both your mobile phone as well as on the desktop. Alright guys, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop me a comment. What was your biggest takeaway? Will you be running $1 ads a day to your content so more people can hear your music? Let me know in the comments, and if you guys want me to run paid ads for you, Say you don't have time to run ads yourself, you need someone to manage it, test, find the right audience, make sure they're optimized for conversions, then there's going to be a link on this video where you have the opportunity to work with me, and I'll take care of all your ads, all your marketing. Just go and click that link and fill out that questionnaire. Now, last but not least, if you did find value from this video and want to watch more videos just like this, I cover so many topics on music marketing, Spotify, SoundCloud, Instagram, Facebook growth. There's tons of material that I put out for you guys. Just go and click whichever video pops up over here and go, and I'll see you in that video.